Hey everyone, welcome to transforming your Ionic application into a progressive web app. I'm Jorge Vergara, and over the next 5 videos, we'll go through all of the steps you need to take in order to convert your Ionic application into a PWA and host it using Firebase hosting. In the first module, we use the Angular CLI to auto-generate all of the files we need. In the second module, we'll go through a couple of best practices about how to keep our application updated and also how to stop annoying our users with aggressive prompts and pop-ups. In the third module, we'll cover what you need to do so that your application is able to receive incoming push notifications. Then, in the fourth module, we'll learn how to deploy your progressive web app to Firebase hosting. And lastly, we'll go over a few technical SEO concepts that will help search engines index your application. I hope you find this useful, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask.